Okay guys, now this is the moment of the truth. I've been seeing this in some other customers' car, and today it is now in my own car. This light just suddenly come on and my steering is stiff, but I have somewhere I'm rushing to. Just suddenly turned red. I was thinking my car shut down, but my car didn't shut down. It's just that the steering is stiff. So that's electrical assisted issue right there. Electrical steering assisted, electrical power steering assisted. So what could be the problem? Now there are some few tricks which I've taught you guys to do, and that is what I might be doing right now, but where I'm going right now is not something I even have the time for myself, because it's something that I needed, a place I needed to go to make money that I'm gonna use to fix this problem. So this video I'm making is not even a priority. Why? Because a bunch of you out there don't value what we do. You don't even support me. 93% of you guys are not even my subscriber, and not even one of you are supporting me. So it's very terrible, I must say. So even if I should end up resolving this, what's the chance of me sharing it with you guys who don't even support me? Because it's a whole lot of expensive stuff here. What's the shortcut? So, well, this is it. Well, I gotta catch you guys later. But this is the D-Day, but definitely I'm gonna solve it. I'm gonna solve it without replacing the electrical assisted power steering. I'm gonna solve it without replacing the other guy that is commonly the problem. It's not that the electrical assisted power steering is bad or the motor is bad, but just one piece of shit guy over there that always make the mess. So I'm gonna use this as my own project to fix it without replacing any of those components, because here you can't get a brand new torque sensor here, which is often the case, and you can't even get a brand new power steering assisted. Is very expensive. So it's gonna be my own way. That's exactly what it's gonna be. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.